With the newly passed second stimulus package comes more relief for small businesses still reeling from the effects of the coronavirus pandemic. In this episode of Finder Facts, we break down how this new PPP second draw loan works, who's eligible for funding, and how you can apply. The Paycheck Protection Program is getting a second round of funding under Congress's latest coronavirus stimulus package. $284 billion have been set aside for the new second draw loan program. It works the same as a regular PPP loan, with rates still fixed at 1% and a 2-year term. And you can still apply for up to 100% forgiveness. The one difference is that the bill expands forgivable expenses to include costs of personal protective equipment, supplier expenses, operations expenditures, and property damage due to public disturbances during 2020. The SBA has 10 days to establish regulations on the second draw loan program after President Trump signs the new relief bill into law. While the first round of PPP funding was up and running in just a week's time, let's not forget the absolute show that followed, with constantly changing rules and banks struggling to keep up with the demand of applications. Let's hope the SBA plans things out a bit better before they launch this time around. The second draw loan is available to small businesses, nonprofits, self-employed individuals, and independent contractors, similar to the regular PPP loan. However, there are a few additional requirements you also need to meet, including having no more than 300 employees, seeing a 25% drop in revenue from 2019, and meeting the SBA size requirements for your industry or the alternative PPP size standards. The maximum amount a business can borrow is $2 million, but like with the original PPP loan, how much your specific business is eligible for depends on your payroll expenses, with most businesses able to borrow 2.5 times their average monthly payroll costs over the past 12 months. You can use our PPP payroll calculator linked here to help you figure out how much your specific business is eligible to borrow. Applications for the SBA's second draw loan haven't opened yet, but we imagine it will look similar to the regular PPP loan application process, in which you apply through banks, credit unions, online lenders, or CDFIs in your area. These second draw loans will likely be available through the same lenders that offer PPP funding. If you already received a PPP loan, we recommend that you apply through the same lender again. Since they already have your information and know you, odds are that your application will take priority over new customers. You can learn more about the PPP second draw loan, including how forgiveness works, by checking out our full guide linked here. We'll be updating it regularly as new details emerge, including when applications have opened. If you have questions about the second round of funding, or if you're not sure if you qualify, leave a comment below and our team of business loan experts will get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching and good luck.